Hi, Lynette. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. How are you? Hey, I wanted to get this screencast off to you and see what I can do to help you with this business here. Looks like you're just getting going. I know you're excited about it. I'm excited for you. I think this is a great niche for here in Denver. And so I did a search. Wanted to talk about, first of all, the top three things we're going to be talking about today that Google really sees as very relevant is the first thing is content, second thing is backlinks, and the third thing is citations. I'll probably do citations second and then backlinks third because citation is a type of a backlink. So if we're looking at your website here, first of all, you've got the header and just this in the middle, and then all these services here. So not sure what happened to the header, but it's not adjusted correctly. And that's not so bad. That's just part of the layout. This text here does not match. And so what I wanted to do is count all of the words that you have on your page. Google really likes to see 1,500 words on the home page or the front page. And as a result, let's take a look. So you have 300 words exactly. Interesting. So 300 words needs to be increased here to 1,500 so that Google can really start to see and validate your website. So we need to add content. That can be in the form. You can expand upon this. You can also expand upon these areas right here, these 4 areas, and come up with some more relative content and add that. So it needs to be keyword rich for your niche for this industry, and it needs to be 1,500 words, okay? And then believe it or not, part of the content that Google looks at besides just the text is pictures. So if I right click on this image and save image as, I know you can't see it at the top of this because of the screencast, but this image is labeled 550-FBIMG and then a string of character letters, numerals. So this image may have been taken off Facebook that you pasted on your website here. But my point to all of this is that you need to label all of the pictures and all of the images with keywords. So this keyword on this one could be, whatever lineage she is, or special hair braiding from India, whatever it might be. So my point to that is that part of the content that Google reads is the captions for any images. Okay. Excuse me. So in doing a search here for hair braiding lessons in Denver, I see that you got yourself a GMB, a Google My Business account. Great job. This is one of the single best things you can do because aside from this ad, these 2 ads, you're in the #1 position in the top 3 in the map pack. Okay, so good job getting this in, and you're maintaining that. So this is going to help drive people to call you and also to go to your website. So when I talk about a citation is nothing more than the name of your business, your address, and your phone number. Okay, and actually exactly, especially how the address appears, that is a citation: name, address, phone number, and how and where that is spread across the internet. So it could be in directories, could be in a blog post, could be in an article. Any of those things is where a citation would show up. And then what I did is a backlink. I'll go back here. What I did is I took the top 3. So #1, take lessons, hair braiding classes, Denver. TakeLessons.com was #1. Beauty school directory I threw in there, but that's actually a directory. This is actually yours. I'm from Denver.com. Beautyschools.com. Okay, Colorado hair braiding. This is actually the only competition that you have. So let's jump into that. So here's your website. Then take lessons. So this is a directory that you could get into. Check this out. You need to get in here and post your stuff. And then that'll bring people into your classes. Make sense? Hairbraiding schools in Colorado. Okay, beauty school directory. This is your only direct competition that I could find in the Denver metro area, is coloradohairbraiding.com. You can see their website is not secure. Images are kind of funky, not a strong website, and there's virtually, except for images, there's virtually no content. So it would be very easy for you to beat them out in the organic search. This last one is imfromdenver.com. This is actually you. And so this is a article that was written October 26, 2020. You're probably aware of it. It's showing up in the Google search, and this is what it looks like. So this is all good. It's got your website. It's got your Facebook page. So I followed that to your Facebook page, and here you are. This is great that you are you are on the ball, man. Keep this stuff coming out. Posting every 2-3 days, pictures, classes coming up. This is wonderful. Really, really good presentation that you got going, Lynette. So keep up with that. We just need to get some stuff on the website dealt with. So I put your website into a tool here called ERFs. It breaks down any and all websites, and it shows us quite a few things. It shows us more things than you can imagine. But this rating here, this UR rating, that is your popularity, and this is the strength of your website. So as a comparison, here is coloradohairbraiding.com. Okay, they're at 20 and a 2. So they have 81 backlinks coming from 21 referring domains, and they're looking at 63 keywords. So let's look at the organic keywords that they have. So except for these two, 10 and 13, they're on the #1 page, or the first page of the Google organic search for all of these search terms. Okay, that's what we want to target for you. But these numbers here, they're your only competition, and with a little work, we can they only have 81 backlinks, okay, and those include citations. You have 3, so all you have to do is add content to your website, get some more citations out there, and then start creating relevant backlinks. So right now the 3 that you have are I'm from Denver, the one we talked about, and online courses. I don't even see a third one actually. It's actually an internal backlink that you have here for the third one. So interesting. And then just for comparison's sake, the keywords they have for Colorado hair braiding, you can see here. I just went back to it, but so that's the 3 things: content, citations, and backlinks. Feel free to use this information for your own good and help improve your rankings. Happy to do it, and if you'd like some help, happy to talk to you some more and see what we can do and get you boosted up so that you can take over that #1 spot in the organic search, and then you have the #1 spot there and the #1 spot in the map pack. So good job. Thank you.